Hey subs, looking to do a short video update. Susan's been overseas in her home country of the Philippines for over the last 4 weeks. I've finally back from work. I've got some organising and some short courses to do. Susan's been unable to take her laptop overseas with her, but we've got plenty of unedited video waiting to share with you. So stick around. There's plenty more to come. We've got some essential preps for the van coming your way, and you can see how we manage our improvements and repairs for the van, which are essential for maintaining our convenience on the road. We've got our entire trip to New Zealand, which we haven't had time to edit before we came back and I needed to go to work. Susan went overseas. We've got all that waiting for you, and no doubt Susan's got plenty of video to share with you from her trip to the Philippines. So just a heads up, let us know if you'd be interested to see us head to Shark Bay. We're going up to Shark Bay, so we're making plans to head up that way. Give us some feedback in the comments below. Let us know if you have any ideas, maybe some interesting things to see up there, or maybe some fishing spots if you know of any. So if Susan agrees, we can commit to one video a week for your enjoyment. And if you're not subbed yet, smash that sub button. You don't want to miss any videos. We've got plenty of content coming your way, and I'll leave some pictures of Shark Bay so you know what to expect when we head up there. Peace.